Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Insta360 Connect, a revolutionary video conferencing solution designed for professional meeting rooms and lecture theaters. With its dual 4K cameras, 14 microphone array, and AI-powered features, this device promises to elevate virtual interactions to a whole new level. Let's explore its features and performance in detail. Design and build quality. The Insta360 Connect features a sleek and functional design. Dimensions: 27-inch video bar with a compact yet robust build. Weight: approximately 5 pounds, 2.27 kilograms. Build: premium materials with a matte finish for a professional look. Mounting options: includes a desktop stand with optional wall and TV mounts available for purchase. The device's design ensures it blends seamlessly into modern conference rooms while offering durability and versatility. Camera quality. The Insta360 Connect delivers exceptional video quality. Dual cameras. Features a wide-angle camera with a Type 1 1.3 CMOS image sensor and a 48-megapixel telephoto gimbal camera. Resolution: supports 4K video at 30 FPS for crystal clear visuals. Field of view: 110 degrees horizontal field of view, HFOV, for comprehensive coverage. AI tracking. Includes multi-modal speaker tracking, group framing, and gallery mode to ensure participants are always in focus. These features make the Insta360 Connect ideal for professional video conferencing, offering clarity and precision. Sound quality. The Insta360 Connect provides industry-leading audio performance. Microphone array. Equipped with 14 beamforming microphones for accurate voice pickup. Range. Captures voices up to 33 feet away, ensuring clear communication even in large rooms. Noise reduction. AI-powered algorithms eliminate unwanted noise and echoes, creating a clean audio profile. The sound quality is tailored for professional environments, ensuring every word is heard clearly. Performance. The Insta360 Connect is designed to deliver top-tier performance. AI enhancements. Features AI Resolution Plus for improved video clarity and real-time acoustics analysis for optimized audio. Tracking modes include speaker tracking, group framing, and whiteboard mode for versatile use cases. Privacy mode automatically conceals the lens, mutes the mic, and tilts the gimbal camera down when privacy is required. These intelligent features make the device a standout choice for professional settings. Connectivity. The Insta360 Connect offers versatile connectivity options. Ports: USB-A and USB-C for seamless integration with computers and peripherals. HDMI 2 enables connection to monitors and TVs for large-scale presentations. Ethernet provides stable wired internet connectivity. Wireless features: supports Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi for flexible setup and operation. Remote control includes a remote for easy adjustments during meetings. These connectivity options ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices and setups. User experience. The Insta360 Connect is designed for ease of use. Setup: quick and straightforward installation with intuitive controls. Software integration: compatible with popular conferencing platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. Customizable settings: offers options for camera tracking, audio profiles, and display configurations. The device's user-friendly interface makes it accessible for both tech-savvy and novice users. Price and value. The Insta360 Connect is priced at approximately $1,999 USD, reflecting its premium features and professional-grade performance. While it's a significant investment, its advanced capabilities justify the cost for businesses and institutions. Conclusion. The Insta360 Connect is a groundbreaking video conferencing solution that combines cutting-edge technology with professional-grade performance. With its dual 4K cameras, intelligent tracking, and exceptional audio quality, it's designed to transform virtual meetings into immersive and productive experiences. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.